So have you ever thought about starting an online business, but you were totally stuck on how to actually make money online, or how to turn random strangers online into paying customers? And I get it. I've tried everything online to try to make money, from Amazon FBA, trading with cryptocurrency, with Forex. I tried doing eBay drop shipping. I tried doing regular drop shipping, and every business model that you can think of. But there's one thing that has made me the most money, and I only need to do it one time. That one thing is called a webinar. Now, a webinar is basically an online presentation that runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Think of it as a one-to-many presentation. It helps build your story, build your authority. It builds trust with your audience, or even an audience that doesn't know you. But more importantly, it sells your product. But a webinar works whether you're doing your own product or you're promoting someone else's product as an affiliate marketer. Webinars are powerful because you show up as the expert, even if you're just starting out, and they give people a real reason to buy from you. Now, I'll be honest, when I first learned about webinars, I went all in. I actually paid someone over $40,000 to create my first webinar, and it was worth every penny. That webinar has gone on to make hundreds of thousands to even millions of dollars over the past few years. And don't worry, if you're just starting out, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars to a webinar expert, because you can now tap into this unfair webinar software to do it for you. Because when I first started, I honestly felt like it was impossible. I didn't know what I was going to say, how to make people actually want to buy, and I didn't know how to create the fancy slides or the design or what words to put in those slides. I remember feeling this way when I first started, but I knew the potential of a webinar, so I still spent the money and made it happen. But in this video, I'm going to show you a demo of how you can create a money-generating webinar in literally minutes using this AI software. Let's get into it. All right, so I'm going to be using this software called WebinarKit. Now, I've been using this software to run all my webinars online. Now, recently, they just created this new AI software built into WebinarKit that allows you to create an entire presentation from scratch. So this works not only if you have your own products, but also if you're promoting someone else's product as an affiliate. Now, I'm going to go ahead and create an entire presentation for one of my new products called AI Freedom Launchpad. Now, this is the actual product and page itself. It's a $97 AI program that allows people to resell it at 100 to 300% commissions. Now, the cool thing is I can literally feed this page, this entire sales page, into the WebinarKit software, and that software is actually going to create the entire webinar for me. Now, if you do want to try WebinarKit and follow what I'm doing right here, I'm going to leave a link in the YouTube description down below. Make sure to click on that link and you'll get access to the page that I'm showing you right now. So what you want to do inside of WebinarKit is you want to go to where it says scripts, and then you want to go to where it says new script. Okay. Now there's other things that we can go through a little bit later, but we first want to create the script of the actual webinar. So I'm going to hit new script here, and I'm going to put AI Freedom Launchpad. This is the actual product. Okay. Now this is my product, but a lot of my students are reselling this product as their own. So if you are watching this and you want to create your own webinar to sell your own version of this, you can also do this as well. Okay. But what we're going to do is we're going to generate script with AI. So we're going to click on this button right here. Now, the cool thing is it's going to ask you everything about the presentation. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to skip this part, because here's a really cool feature that WebinarKit offers. Okay. So where it says autofill prompt questions, I'm going to go here, and you can actually paste the website to your product. Okay. Now this is extremely powerful because you don't have to go and answer all those questions. You could simply add this here and then click on autofill. Okay. This is going to take a few moments. I'm going to stop. We'll come back to the video. And in just a few minutes, the AI autofilled the entire process. Okay. So the event title, the presenter, the main promise, who's the event for. So basically it scraped everything from the website and it created an entire entire presentation, okay? So it's extremely powerful, right? You have an entire presentation. Now the next part is at the bottom here, you want to generate script. The only thing is it didn't give the call to action, so I'm just going to put the link here. This will actually, at the end of the presentation, this is where you tell people to buy. So you want to add the link here and then hit generate script. So I'm going to click that button on the bottom right, and you can see in real time, this is actually creating the entire script. Okay, so what's going to happen is this is going to create an entire script for my webinar, and then I'm going to show you how to actually create the slides themselves. So not only does this AI feature inside of WebinarKit create the actual text, but you can also create the slides with the photos, a presentation that is ready to go so you can start making money. So I'm going to let this run. This should take 1 to 2 minutes, and then I'm going to show you how to create the slides. All right, so as you can see, it now created 86 slides for my webinar. So I'm going to go ahead and save this at the bottom and hit complete. So as you can see, I now have my script. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to create the actual slides. So what you want to do is click on this slides option here, and you want to go to new presentation. Now, when you get to this page right here, where you want to go next is where it says create slide from script. Okay, so we want to create the script first before you go here. So you're going to click on this button here, and what you want to do is select script and click on whatever webinar script that you created. So in this case, I'm going to click AI Freedom Launchpad. And the cool thing is you can also change how the slides actually look, right? As you can see, there's different options for this. I'm actually going to just go with the simple option right here. So I'm going to click on that. And then right here where it says generate images from AI, I'm going to go ahead and use that. That way WebinarKit will actually create the slides with images that go with the actual product. And then the brand image, you can go ahead and upload your logo. I'm going to go ahead and click this one right here. And then on the bottom right, I'm going to click on import script. All right. So as you can see, it is now creating the entire webinar. And as you can see, it's actually creating all the images for me. If you can see on the left, it's actually building the images to go with the script. It's absolutely insane. All right. So the entire presentation is now done. Now, obviously we can go in here and change photos. I'd probably put a photo of myself, which is very easy to go ahead and change. But this is so cool because now I have a presentation that I can go ahead and present and start making money with my audience. Now, this webinar looks like it's ready to present. I can literally just read line for line, and this is designed to make me money. And as you can see, the point of the webinar is to build up enough trust, credibility, that way you can sell your product. Now, obviously this right here is not a photo of me and my family, so I'd probably go ahead and switch some of these photos out. But what I want to show you is this webinar is 99% ready to go. I can literally present this tomorrow and start making money. And as you can see, they even have engagement inside of this webinar as well. That way, if you have a live audience, you can present it to them. And it looks like it even goes through Russell Brunson's perfect webinar script where it talks about the 3 secrets. So you can see secret number 1, and then if you scroll down, there's secret number 2, and then secret number 3. This is all built that way you can build authority, you can provide value, but more importantly, sell your product. Now, if you thought this was mind-blowing and you want to go ahead and start creating presentations that print money, please build a webinar. Whether you use WebinarKit or not, or you build your own webinar, please at least go and build a webinar. That way you can start making money. And whether you have your own product or you're an affiliate marketer, a webinar will also work for you because all you do is create a presentation that sells the actual product. Now, I'm going to leave a special link to get access to WebinarKit. That way you can try it out for yourself and create your first presentation. And for those who are reselling my AI Freedom Launchpad course, I'm going to leave a link to the webinar that I just created. That way you can use it to resell it if you'd like. So that's going to be the second link down below, and you can go ahead and use that for yourself if you want. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video, and God bless.